is Nandini. My name is Nandini. She is my colleague Reshma. We are studying 10th class English medium in Zphs Metla. Sir, our project name is COVID-19, take care 19. So, first I want to tell about problems due to COVID. The police and doctors had faced a critical problems in our society because of COVID-19. They leave their parents, children and everything. During this COVID time, so many of people lost their health, either rich or poor. Someone has said that correctly. If health is gone, everything is gone. I think this statement will act on our society, sir. So we observe the different families and different areas in our surroundings, school. We take feedback from us, we observe the environments, and I ask the questions, how you get corona, how you suffer from corona. So first question, do you need the COVID-19 vaccine if you had COVID-19? Yes, 40%, no 60%. Second question, can you still transmit COVID-19 after you are vaccinated? Yes, 50%, no 50%. What food should you avoid during COVID-19? They tell cool drinks, cool water, alcohol. Can the coronavirus disease spread through sewage? Yes, 40%, no 60%. And we have to take some precautions during COVID-19. First, get plenty of rest. Second, drink lot of fluids. Third, eat warm. 4, eat healthy food. 5, use a humidifier or take a hot shower for safe throat and cough. 5, stay away from others. 6, maintain social distance. 7, leave home only. 8, wash hands frequently. 9, wash hand sanitizer. 10, wash dishes and utensils regularly. 11, do not share anything. 12, use gloves when handling trash. 13, clean and disinfect high-touch surfaces and items every day. 14, cleaning our environments. 15, cover with mask your face. 16, personal cleaning. 17, do not share drinking glasses. 18, do not take self-treatment. 19, cleaning our environments. These type of cares we have to take. Thanks.